He's gonna come at it. He's got one of the guys from Warren is gonna give him a spot on this. You taking photos?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, thank you. Getting spotted by one of the experts at Warren. All right, attempt number 2. Ollie's got a little bit of the jitters. This is the most challenging obstacle he's ever done. There you go, buddy. There you go, bro. I mean, video really doesn't do this justice. This is so damn steep. All right, now they're gonna line him up to come up this last section, which is the more complicated one. A little steeper, but you can definitely do it. Kate is capable. He's got to go far right. Oh, he got on 3 wheels.
Yeah, take a video now?
Yeah. The last Jeep came up the far right and it was real smooth. This step is the killer for him. He's got to come up this right side. Alrighty. There you go, buddy. Yeah, it's got a supercharger.
Be careful to run. If he comes up, he might.
Yeah, he's gonna need some speed. Yeah.
Just be careful. It's best to come up where we are, or either side.
Either on your best spot is on top of those rocks.
Exactly why. So here.
On top of those rocks or on top of these rocks behind me.
Just to be safe.
Yep. That way you can jump to that rock if you need to.
Ours has a
There we go. Yeah. There you go. Beautiful. Woo! Like a champ.
Beautifully done.
Roll it through, brother. Roll it through.